The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi's latest smartphone called Redmi 14C is now official in Czechia, with quiet stylish rear panel design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 14C features a tall 6.88-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi 14C sports a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. At the front it has 13-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5160 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.88 by 77.8 by 8.22 mm, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 14C has been priced in Czechia for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,999 Czech korunas, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,699 Czech korunas. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in dreamy purple, midnight black, sage green, and starry blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 14C smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.